Hi, in this tutorial I am going to teach you how to use the WordPress. This is dashboard of our WordPress admin panel and I'm going to show you one by one every option. Here you will see a WordPress icon. When you will mouse over this icon, you will find different options, like you can go to a WordPress website, you can see the documentations, you can take the support and feedback, and here you will find our current website title. And if you want to view the website, you have to click this option, and if you want to visit the store, you will click this option. Let me show this site that I am building now. Let me right click it and open a new tab. You can see our website is in front of us and a WordPress header is showing here. Now the next thing is Poco options. You may not have these options. Actually, this is the options by the theme that I have installed for making this website. So here is a new option. When you mouse over this option, you will find different elements to create. Like if you want to create a post, you have to click here. If you want to add media, you want to make pages, you want to make landing pages, you want to add or make templates, you have to click here. When you will go to your right side, you will see a admin panel here. Here is your login or user information. You can edit the profile, your profile from here. These are all the profile options. You can change here. You can add users from here. Now I'm going back to dashboard. This option is by my theme, and you may not see this option at your WordPress interface. Here is the post. If you want to add post to your blog or your website, then you have to click here. And if you want to add some media to your website, you have to click here, library. Here we go. Here is all the images of our website. You can add new images from here, or you can edit images for here. You can delete images for here. You can add some alt text, captions or descriptions of images here. Now here is a comment section. Here is a pages section. Same way like posts, you can add pages. Let me show you. Here is the pages of my website. You can add new page. You can edit it with element. You can handle the comments from here. Whether people are commenting on your website, you can manage it from here. Here is the Fluent Form, Clever, GetWoo plugin. These are all the plugins that I have installed. You may not see these options. Here is the products section that is also comes from my theme. Here is the analytics section that is also come from my theme. A marketing Elementor plugin which is used for making the website, and here is a template which is also come from my theme. And here is a appearance section in which you will see the themes. You can customize, you can add widgets, you can add more themes from here. And here is the customization of this theme option. You can customize the theme from here. Here is the plugins. You have to install some plugins for making your website more versatile. In my case, I have these plugins installed with my theme. Here is the user option where you can control the users of your WordPress website. Here is one user. You can add new users depending upon your needs, whether you want to make them admin or you want to make customer, subscriber or contributor. Whatever you want, you can set it from here. Here are some tools where you can import and export some data. You can check the health of your site, and here is a setting options in which you will do some setting like reading, where you can make your home page or post by default, how many posts show at most. So this portion has also some settings. Here's a pummeling setting where you can set the pummeling structure of your post or pages. So all done. This is actually walkthrough of this interface.